ReNU is a storm restoration company that's located in Minnesota. We are a licensed general contractor working with homeowners to help them on insurance claims when they need to restore their property, either roofing, siding, windows, or their gutters. If a storm comes in and there's damage on there from hail or wind, or sometimes a tree will hit their roof, and they're looking to get their home fixed. So ReNU has a three-step process. The first one is to do a damage assessment. We're able to identify damage so that a report can be built and given to the homeowner. Then after that, if there is damage and we're talking to the insurance company, then there really needs to be a strategic plan to move forward. We take all of that work on ourselves so that the homeowner doesn't have to. And then the construction process from stage one all the way to finish makes it very easy. So really, the third step is just selecting the colors either for your siding or for your roof, and then we go right into the build. For us at ReNU, it's really about peace of mind. We want to make the process easy for the homeowner. We understand that the homeowner's property is their home, and we treat their home as if it is ours. ReNU is a small family business located in Minnesota. For us, our whole mission is to help get a claim approved. Help a homeowner out by providing construction information and the requirements so that they can move forward after they've had a catastrophe. Pride of ownership is very important to myself. I own a home, and I know when there's been damage on my home, I lose property value. And so ReNU is all about a homeowner receiving or getting back their home's potential that is there, even more than where it's at. If you're looking for attention to detail and somebody that's going to take on the project and care about your home as much as you do, please give us a call. Thanks for spending some time with us. My name's Bart. I'm the owner of ReNU. If you're interested in getting a damage assessment or talking to us from a construction perspective, we'd love to meet with you and spend some time with you. Give us a call.